Alright, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this is a very simple question. The only trick you should take here is that we need to get the same thing. What I mean by the same thing is that, look at this. 8 plus 9 is 17 and 7 plus 10 is 17. So, it shows that this will multiply this while this to multiply itself. So, I'm going to rewrite this to be x plus 7 is going to multiply x plus 10, while x plus 8 is going to multiply x plus 9. Okay, the same thing here. X minus 7 is going to multiply x minus 10, while x minus 8 is going to multiply x minus 9. Okay, is equal to 1. Now let us multiply. I'm going to have that this is going to be x squared plus 7x plus 10x plus 70, okay, into here is going to be x squared plus 8x plus 9x plus 56, right? Is it? 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 9, yeah, 72. Sorry, 72. Okay. So that is that. So we now have over the same thing here, x squared minus 7x minus 10x plus 70 into this time this x squared, this time this minus 9x, this time this minus 8x, this time this plus 72. Okay, now is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Okay, now the difference between this and this is just 2. So let me rewrite this to be x squared plus 17x plus 70 for this one. If I add these two, okay, it's being multiplied by x squared plus 17x. I can write that plus 70 plus 2. Okay, 70 plus 2 is still giving me 72. So this is going to be x squared minus 17x, okay, plus 70 into x squared minus 17x plus 70 plus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now consider let this be m and this be n. Okay, so consider let x squared plus 17x plus 70 equal to m, and then let x squared minus 7x plus 70 be equal to n. Okay, now let us now substitute. So I'm going to have that m in bracket of m plus 2. Okay, here is from here to here is m, and from here to here is another m, then plus 2. Okay, all over this one is now n in bracket of n plus 2 is still equal to 1. Okay, so this time this I'm going to have m squared plus 2m all over n squared plus 2n is equal to 1. Okay, so if I cross multiply, I'm going to have that m squared plus 2m is equal to n squared plus 2n. Okay, now bring everybody to this side. I'm going to have that m squared minus n squared plus 2m plus 2n is equal to 0. So if you look at these two people, they are difference of 2 squares. So this thing means m minus n into m plus n. Okay, then plus, factor this out. I'm going to have 2 in bracket of how do I get plus? Here is supposed to be minus because this is plus. Crossing to this side becomes minus. So I'm going to have m minus n is equal to 0. Okay, so now they have something in common. I'm going to see what they have in common. They have m minus n in common. So if I open bracket, what is remaining here is m plus n, and what is remaining here is plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now these are two cases. So I have that the first case is m minus n is 0, or we have that m plus n plus 2 is 0. Okay, so now let us take the first case. In the first case where we have that m minus n is 0. Now what is my m? This is my m. My m is s squared plus 17x plus 70, then minus into my n, x squared minus 7x minus 70 is equal to what? 0. So let's open bracket. X squared plus 17x plus 70 minus x squared plus 7x, sorry, this is plus, yes, then minus 70 is equal to 0. So these two take care of itself, and then 70 take care of itself. So I'm having that okay, so I'm having that this and this will give you 34x is equal to 0. So therefore x here is 0. Now if x is 0 here, so let us check the second case. For the second case, we have that our m plus n plus 2 is equal to 0. So our m is x squared plus 17x plus 70, then plus x squared minus 17x plus 70, then plus 2 is equal to 0. So this and this is giving me 2x squared. This and this is gone. 70 plus 70 is 142. So plus 142 is equal to 0. So I'm having that 2x squared is equal to minus 142. So therefore my x squared will now be what? 142 minus divided by 2. So x squared is giving me 71 minus, so x is now plus or minus the square root of what? Minus 71. Okay, so that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe as well. Okay, so bye bye.